was kind enough to gift me 2 iPhone cases. I do really like the case. Change can happen in an instant. We don't have that much control. I'm a huge overthinker. Valentina, grab that one.
No.
I got it. They're a little bit sour. That one was good.
This is nothing.
Oh, I have one. Look, they're all the way up there.
I'm telling you, put me on your shoulders.
No. Oh, yes. Oh, shit.
Don't.
Valentina. Wait, look, there's some right here. Just get those.
Well, then bring down the bridge for me. That one right there. Pull it. Good.
Get that right there, Valentina, right there.
What?
Right there. Oh.
Oh gosh. Wait, no more. Wait. 2 more. Okay, got it. I keep pulling at leaves. Oops. What? The leaves just come off with them.
Show the progress. Perfect. Hello. I feel hesitant to be filming right now because my face is breaking out a little bit again. Acne sucks. But we went cherry picking, peach picking, blueberry picking. Like a little summer tradition that we have. So that's why I'm still looking like a little crusty, but it's fine. I did want to do a little unboxing with you guys today. And I want to talk about Miracase. Miracase was kind enough to gift me 2 iPhone cases. So thank you so much, Miracase. I cannot wait to try these out. Ooh. This is a black outline case with a transparent background. There's plastic protectant on the front and back of this part of the case. These are the stickers that the black case came with. Really cute. This is the toolkit that it comes with so you can clean your phone before putting it into the case. Even like the front of the phone will be protected. So it's almost like a life-proof case because the phone will be within. The back also has a little peel. There's another little protector right here that you can peel off too. And then the inside again also has like a clear protector as well. Here's the other one that I got. Let's see. Looks like this. It has the step-by-step instruction on this side on how to put the case on your phone. I got a purple one too. I love the purple frame. This one also comes with the little step-by-step instructions in several different languages and the toolkit to clean your phone. The frame feels pretty sturdy, like as you can hear. Also, I forgot to show you guys in the other case, but there's also a little QR code right here if you want to scan it to view how to install the case as well. They have a little video for you. Love that. I'm gonna do the purple because my phone is purple, and honestly these purples together look really nice. Put this on, and then we're gonna put it in the case, and it's snapping in pretty easily. As you can see, all is locked into place. You can see the back, so you can see the purple color that I have. I technically have 2 screen protectors on this right now, but my phone still works. Like, I can swipe and everything. It's basically like a life-proof case, but I think nicer because you have the transparent background where you can see your phone color, which I prefer those types of cases. The camera part is uncovered, so I do have a separate screen protector for the camera, but besides that, I do think that the case is pretty sturdy. The outside rims are also sturdy, they lock into place, so I don't think my phone will ever come out of this case unless I actually open it up. So like the instructions say, you push down on one of the edges and then that way you can like pop it out. I do really like the case. I definitely recommend checking it out if you want more of a life-proof case along with the screen protector. Don't forget to check out Miracase. I'll leave a link down below in my description box where you can check out their products, and I'll have a coupon code linked on the screen so you can get a little discount for buying one of the cases. So thank you again, Miracase. I love it. I am sitting on the floor because I decided I wanted to talk to you guys for a little bit. I feel like the chit chat get ready with me that I uploaded, I don't know when this video will go up, but I uploaded it a few videos back, is something that I want to keep doing. Like I want to keep talking in my videos and just sharing my thoughts and being transparent. Change is weird. Like there's been several changes in the past week. It's just crazy to think about how a lot of things that you view normal can just change in an instant, and I feel like that's why you need to keep an open mind when it comes to the future and just kind of embracing anything that comes your way, embracing the change, just going with it, and just not having too many expectations of what you want your future to look like. So that's just the mindset I've been trying to have. I've been trying to just let go of the control because I personally overthink everything. I get really anxious not knowing what's gonna happen. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that to some degree, but me personally, I overthink a lot. Maybe in my videos it does reflect that, maybe it doesn't, I really don't know, but I am a huge overthinker and I just need to have control or know what is gonna happen. Obviously that cannot be the case all the time. You know, the future is not predictable. It can be sometimes, but not everything can be predictable because like we know, like in 2020 our lives went like that and a bunch of change happened that we were not asking for. So I guess like that's just what I've been thinking about the past couple of days, just realizing that change can happen in an instant. We don't have that much control, and I've just been trying to chill, not overthink it, and just go with it. And I think that's why I've been kind of stressed. Like my acne is kind of exploding a little bit right now, and I'm just trying to, you know, understand that right now life is not bad or anything. It's just a lot of changes going on, and like I said, I don't like it. Just trying to chill, be patient with my skin. I'm not gonna lie, I was popping it a little bit last night and that's not good. Just trying to be patient with myself, trying to just embrace change that is coming and just going with it, enjoying my life. And something else that is upcoming is I have a fun trip coming up in about a month and a half, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good trip. I'm excited to bring you guys along with me and share the behind the scenes on what I'm doing, because I have not shown this side of my life on YouTube ever, so that'll be fun. I hope that you guys are all doing good. I can't believe that we are already halfway through 2022, and honestly, like I said, for me personally, it hasn't been that bad of a year. I don't have really any complaints. I feel like this year I've just been chilling and cruising. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Comment down below your favorite emoji. Mine is like the hand like this. I'll put it on the screen. It's my favorite one because it looks like you're like giving a virtual hug. Like, it's cute. Alright, I hope you're doing well. Everything's gonna be okay if there's things that you're going through. Everything happens for a reason, even though you may not know the reason right now. So just keep that in mind if you're going through a tough time. I always try to remember that. And I'm sending you positive vibes. Bye bye.